At V40, we don't just build structures, we set the standard. Today, our progress speaks for itself. Take a look at V40. 29 villas have their structural skeletons fully completed. 18 villas are moving fast through masonry. Plastering has officially begun, and major infrastructure works are fully underway. The scale of operation here is massive. We've already poured 10,400 cubic meters of concrete and laid 500,000 blocks. This heavy momentum, powered by 200+ workers daily, pushing the limits every single day. Right now, 500 out of 720 structural elements are successfully cast. The future isn't just coming, it's being built right now at V40 by City Edge Developments.